Welcome to the Omni Dental and Med Spa podcast. Today we're taking a deep dive into something really vital for anyone who's invested in a confident, healthy smile. We're talking about how to maintain dental implants for life. We'll be digging into the key insights from our sources to give you, well, a clear roadmap for long-term success with your implants.
That's exactly right. Dental implants are truly a life-changing solution for so many people. They offer such a natural look and feel, but like any significant investment, they really do require dedicated care. So this deep dive, it's all about guiding you through the best practices to make sure those implants last for, well, decades, really.
Absolutely. And before we unpack the specifics, let's just quickly mention where this valuable info comes from. We're drawing insights today from Omni Dental and Med Spa.
Yes, Omni Dental. They're a trusted family dental practice located at 305 E Rand Road in Arlington Heights, Illinois. It's led by Dr. Billis Poles, who brings over a decade of experience in comprehensive dental care with a really strong focus on dental implants. And their whole practice philosophy, it really centers on personalized attention, making sure the environment is comfortable, and using advanced tech so every patient feels, informed and at ease.
No, that sounds great. So whether you're right there in Arlington Heights or maybe in nearby spots like Buffalo Grove, Palatine, Mount Prospect,
Rolling Meadows, Schaumburg, Wheeling,
the Plains, or Elk Grove Village, this information is really designed to help you. So let's jump in. What exactly makes proper dental implant care so vital? Why is it so crucial for lifelong success?
Well, it's fascinating, isn't it? Because while dental implants are designed to function just like your natural teeth,
Yeah.
they aren't immune to the same issues that affect natural teeth. I mean, without the right care, food particles, plaque, it can all accumulate around them.
Okay, let's unpack that a bit. What are the specific risks if you maybe slack off on the maintenance?
That's a really important question. The risk of gum disease and a more serious condition called peri-implantitis, it increases significantly.
Peri-implantitis, what's that exactly?
Think of it like gum disease, but specifically around an implant. It's basically an infection, and it can actually threaten the implant's stability over time. It can damage the bone holding the implant.
Wow, okay.
But the good news is our sources really emphasize that with the right steps, these complications are, easily preventable.
Right. Prevention is key. So let's get into the nitty-gritty then. What are those essential daily steps you should be taking?
First, and this is crucial, always use a soft bristle toothbrush.
Soft bristles. Why is that so important?
Because hard bristles or even some abrasive toothpastes, they can actually scratch the surface of the implant crown. And those tiny scratches can become places where bacteria like to hide. Plus, rough brushing can irritate the gums right around the implant.
Okay. That makes sense.
So you need to brush gently but thoroughly around your dental implants at least twice a day. Get rid of that plaque and any food particles. Keep your mouth fresh.
That's a great practical tip. What else should be part of that daily routine?
Flossing. It's absolutely crucial, not just for implants, but for your natural teeth, too.
Right.
You can use standard dental floss, or there are specially designed interdental brushes. These are really good for getting into the spaces between implants effectively.
Interdental brushes. Okay.
And for those really hard-to-reach areas, a water flosser is an excellent addition. Seriously, a game changer for many people.
A water flosser. How does that help specifically with implants?
It uses a gentle stream of water, sometimes pulsating, to dislodge debris and plaque from around the implant and, crucially, just under the gum line. This is really key in preventing that peri-implantitis we mentioned and keeping the gums healthy. It gets where other tools might miss.
Interesting. So it really sounds like consistency is the name of the game here.
Exactly. A consistent oral hygiene routine is, without doubt, the foundation for long-term implant success. That means brushing twice a day, flossing daily, using those tools like interdental brushes or a water flosser if needed.
Any other daily habits?
You might also consider rinsing with an implant-safe mouthwash. Look for one without alcohol, usually. It can help further reduce bacteria and, freshen your breath. Sticking to this daily routine isn't just about protecting your investment, though that's important. It really supports the health of your gums and your jawbone, too, significantly cutting the risk of complications down the line.
Okay, that covers the home front really well. Beyond the daily care, what about professional maintenance? How often should you be seeing your dentist or hygienist specifically for your implants?
Oh, professional cleanings are absolutely essential. You can't skip those. Even if you're doing an amazing job at home, Plaque and tartar can still build up in spots that are just difficult for you to reach.
Right, those tricky areas.
Exactly. So our sources recommend visiting your dental team every 6 months. Standard recall, really. During these visits, they'll do a thorough cleaning around your implants, but they use special instruments, often plastic or graphite, that won't scratch the implant surfaces.
Ah, different tools than for natural teeth.
Sometimes, yes, to protect the implant material. They'll also monitor your gum health very closely, measure the pockets around the implants, check for any early signs of inflammation or trouble, like that peri-implantitis. These regular checkups are just key to catching things early and ensuring your implants last a lifetime.
Got it. Regular checkups, special attention to the implants. Now, here's where it gets really interesting for me. Are there lifestyle habits, things beyond just cleaning, that can impact how successful your dental implants are?
Oh, absolutely. A huge one. One of the leading causes of dental implant failure or complications is smoking.
Smoking. Okay, how does that affect implants?
Well, smoking restricts blood flow, which slows down healing. It makes it harder for your body to fight off infection. It significantly increases the risk of gum problems and bone loss around the implant. Honestly, for the best results, avoiding smoking entirely is strongly recommended.
That's a pretty clear warning. What about other things like food?
Yet, diet plays a role too. It's generally wise to limit really sticky foods. Things like caramels or chewy candies can cling to implants and make cleaning harder.
Makes sense.
But beyond just avoiding sticky stuff, focus on a balanced diet. You want plenty of vitamins and minerals like calcium and vitamin D to support your gum health and, crucially, your bone health. Strong bone is what holds that implant secure.
So good overall nutrition helps the implant stay solid.
Precisely. These lifestyle choices, they really do play a significant role in the long-term success of your dental implants. It's the whole picture.
Okay, so we've covered daily routines, professional care, lifestyle factors. If we were to boil this all down, what's the main takeaway for someone wanting to ensure their dental implants truly last for life?
Well, connecting it all, the big picture is that maintaining dental implants isn't overly complicated, but it does require diligence and the right habits. The core message: treat your implants much like your natural teeth, maybe even with a little extra care in certain areas. So that means using tools like that water flosser, if needed, to get those tough spots. Always using a soft bristle brush and avoiding abrasive toothpaste that could damage the surface. And just consistently, day in and day out, sticking to your oral hygiene routine.
And vigilance too, right? What if you notice something that feels, well, off?
Yes, that raises a really important point. Our sources strongly advise this. Contact your dentist immediately if you notice anything unusual.
Like what specifically?
Any discomfort, any swelling or redness, any bleeding around your implant, even persistent bad breath, or a feeling like the implant might be a tiny bit loose. Don't wait and see.
Call right away.
Exactly. Early detection and intervention can make all the difference. It might be a minor adjustment needed, but catching it early prevents bigger problems. So combining these careful home practices with those regular professional cleanings and healthy lifestyle choices, that's the formula. That's how you protect your investment and keep your smile healthy and confident for, hopefully, many, many years to come.
This deep dive has really driven home that proper, maybe slightly more nuanced care for dental implants is absolutely the key to making them last. By following these simple, consistent steps we've talked about, the soft brush, maybe a water flosser, definitely those professional cleanings, you're actively preventing common issues. You're making sure that investment really pays off in comfort, function, and just feeling good about your smile.
Well said. And remember, if you're in the Arlington Heights area, the team at Omni Dental and MedSpa is dedicated to supporting your oral health journey. They offer comprehensive dental services really focused on patient-centered care. You can easily reach them at 847-483-8833 or just visit their website to schedule an appointment or learn more.
Fantastic. We really hope this deep dive into dental implant maintenance has given you some valuable insights, maybe even clarified a few things. As you think about everything we've covered today, maybe consider this. What's one small change, one thing you could tweak in your routine that might have the biggest positive impact on your overall oral health long term? Something to chew on.